this video we are going to understand what is balanced tree and unbalanced tree, and what is the exact meaning of a balanced tree and an unbalanced tree, right? So in the binary tree, there is a possibility it is balanced tree or unbalanced tree, right? There is a possibility of balanced tree or unbalanced tree. Seeing a tree does not mean the left and the right subtree are exactly the same size. So number of child node for this root node in the left and right are equal, right? So we cannot say that this is a balanced tree, right? So why we are saying this is balanced or this is unbalanced? First of all, that we have to understand. So to become a balanced tree, right, balanced binary tree, so first of all you have to make sure that this tree will give insert and find operation. So if we want to insert a binary tree or if we want to find a node, right, means if we want to insert and find, so it should give O log n, right? So if this tree will also give O log n, means it is also binary tree, balanced binary tree, okay? But in this case, if we will go for insert or delete, it will go for O of n, right? Number of nodes it will traverse, right? Either we will go for insert or either we will go for find, right? Or you can say search, okay? So any of this we will go, it will become balanced or unbalanced. So it totally depends on the time complexity. Do not mess up your concept, right? That is what I'm saying. You have to focus what is balanced or what is not balanced, right? So if you remember this page, right, I have included one of the videos, right, where we have understood the balanced binary tree, right? So in the definition I have said, in a balanced binary tree, the height of left and the right subtree of any node differ by more than 1. So the common type of balanced tree are AVL tree and you can say AVL tree and red black tree, right? But if you talk about the height, right, so height, if it is h, so for the insert and for the update, insert and for the find, it should be O log n, right? And if you talk about the performance, right, so the balanced binary tree having better performance like search, insert, delete, right? So all of which it will take O of n time, right? So, and if you talk about the unbalanced tree, right? So unbalanced tree does not have the height constant, as we have gone through a big scope, right? So it can become skew, right, with one subtree significantly rather than the smaller one, right? So if you talk about in the worst case, the height of h is unbalanced, so it will go to O of n time, as I show you, right? So operations like search and insert or delete, it will give O of n time complexity in the worst cases. That is why we have to think about a balanced tree, not the number of child in the left and right subtree. So in this case, if we will replace this one with some another one, right, let's suppose like this, and then we will go with multiple nodes, right? So then we will talk, then it will be confusion, right? Or there can be any other things. So you have to think about the time complexity, and then you have to define yourself that it is balanced or not unbalanced, right? So I hope this video you like, and if any doubt, please ping me in the comment box. Thank you, and thank you for watching this video.
Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you really like this video, please subscribe this channel.